let's take you through the latest in the markets and good news coming in from there. Domestic stock markets started the Monday session at record high as Joe Biden's win in the US presidential election lifted the broader Asian shares, tracking a jump in the Asian equities after Democrat Joe Biden was declared a winner in the US election. Now, the Sensex jumped over 673 points to 1.61% to touch an all-time high of 42,566 in early deals, and the Nifty 50 benchmark climbed to a record as well, adding about 188 points to that. Now, broad-based gains led by banking, finance service, IT, pharmaceutical shares, they all pushed the markets a little higher. Let's try and understand that in detail with Purva. Purva, US election, the sole push behind the market surge, or is there something more to that?
Well, the prime reason at this point seems to be the US election results. But at the same time, we cannot overlook the fact that even the investors are in fact positive about the Indian scenario, the Indian economy as well. And this is on the back of Diwali as well, where, a lot of things, our economy is also opening up. And that is also another factor where investors are hopeful that during Diwali there will be sales and people will come out. There will be a demand which was not there for the past 5-6 months. We've seen how the demand is not there in the market. But the investors are hopeful that in the upcoming festive season, people will come out, people will spend, there will be a demand, there is a pent-up demand which will also add on. So definitely the US elections plus this Indian economic scenario is something that the investors are hopeful for. And also if we look at the foreign portfolio investors, even they are positive on the India story at this point, because we've seen how they have been buying consistently for the past 1 week. And in fact, only on Friday, they bought shares worth 4,870 crores. So FIIs are also net buyers currently. That is also adding to the positivity in the stock markets. And also right now, we can say that Sensex is still 450 points up, whereas Nifty is also 120 points up. Definitely not the day's high, but definitely in the positive area.